Hi gang, how you going? Skypilot here. The sun's out. Frogs are frogging, the birds are singing. It's time to put the Eachine up in the air. Let's roll. Okay, the Eachine E520s battery test and just a general hover test, height test, etc. Let's see how we go. Sit there recording, get them up in the sky. So I've got 14 satellites at the moment, which is pretty cool. They recommend not flying until you have at least 6 satellites, so pretty happy with that. Yeah, stopwatch is running, bit of a battery test. Just going to try and keep it pretty simple today. I won't run through too many features. Just want to see how long the battery lasts for at this stage and get a bit of aerial footage. See how the 1080p looks. Looking pretty good so far. Let's get a bit of height on us. I think we could probably safely go to around 50 metres. Starting to rock around a bit. It is a bit windy today. I'm sitting at 51, 52 metres, and yeah, she's looking really stable up there. As you can see, it's yeah, right up there in the sky. Not moving around too much, so pretty impressed with that. That's cool. Let's bring it down a bit out of the wind. I'll do a bit of a circle around, spin around, loop the loop type shot. Okay, so here we go. Fixed point, move it around to there. I'm going to go to here. And we should be able to run in orbit. Let's go. Orbit away. No, it's not wanting to orbit. Okay, that's cool. I won't mess around with it. I shall orbit it myself. Again, this is a bit of a battery test and a recording test. I have had a bit of trouble recording to SD card, so I'm hoping this is going to be recording. Just jumping around a little bit up there. As I said, there is a bit of wind here, so it's actually not doing too badly considering. Might just bring it down because it's now starting to blow around a bit, spin around a bit. Okay, let's just come down here, out of the wind. Yeah, what do you think of the picture, guys? Yeah, drop us a comment. 1080p, not behaving too badly. Get a bit of distance on us. My last Eachine flew very well with GPS, so I'm hoping this is going to be something similar to how that drone behaved. Let's go for a fly over here. It's looking quite nice so far. Normally by now I've crashed, but quite happy. Things are looking pretty good. So I'm just going to shoot up and I'm just going to stop there and do a slow spin around. So it's saying from me 68 metres at around 39 metres high, so that's pretty cool. 75% battery. So far I'm liking what's happening, guys. This drone may get a big tick of approval from the pilot. My last drone I had that was of the same price range, which is the SG drone, that was an utter disaster. I did have some more faith in Eachine and I think it's paid off. Let's just creep forward slowly. See how far we can get over there towards that oval. It's a fair hike away from me now. I'm quite impressed. Got pretty good feed still. And the picture's looking pretty good. I might cut to some music, guys, and have a bit of a cruise around so you don't have to listen to my silly voice anymore. I'll be back in a minute. Right, that was nearly 60 metres. I'm going to bring it down now. We're sitting on about 43%. The drone has a little bit of a jump around here and there, but generally, apart from its speed, I did switch it over to speed 2, but it doesn't seem to be doing a great deal after I hit it on speed 2. It's reasonably slow, a little bit unresponsive. However, it does tend to come and go a bit, so I'm thinking it's just about to land itself. No? Okay. I will run it flat. This is a battery test after all. Not too many features today, guys, so this really was just a test to see how it flies, and I'm actually really impressed. It's a nice steady little flyer. Up and down, not too loud, typical Eachine buzz. I do enjoy these GPS drones though, and it's going to land. Stop the clock. Okay, so it actually landed itself. For some reason, 44% the battery says, so right, keep the clock running. It's one of those mysteries of modern drones. I'm not too sure why it landed in, but it did land. I'm saying 28% on the battery indicator there. So before it runs out, I'll give this a 4 out of 5 stars. Makes you think, yeah, makes you think it's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so what's happening now is the controller's beeping at me. The lights on the drone are now flashing. They're flashing, indicating we're low on power, so I'm pretty sure we're about to run out of power soon. You can see and hear that beeping. 22% on the battery gauge. Let's see what happens when it runs out of power without any input from the pilot. I'd probably say you've got about a minute of flying before it sets itself down. As I said, it is a bit windy here today, so it's handled the wind quite well. That would explain the jittery video that you've been seeing. And there's no wind, they are a lot steadier. 19%, batteries in the red. Oh, okay. It's deciding to do its own thing now. I'm not touching it, I think it's going to land itself. Excellent. Top stuff. There you have it, guys. A good result for the first flight of my Eachine 520s. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that thumb. Drop us a comment. Drop us a like. Plenty more of these to come. See you in the sky.